Credit for any time served and inpatient treatment that was successfully completed. And
All right out the gate. We're in a revocation hearing. This means Timothy's freedom is hanging by a thread. One wrong answer, and that community supervision could turn into real prison time. Let's see how he handles the heat.
court is calling 2024 CR 3084, State versus Timothy J. McCormick Johnson. Can I have parties announced?
Jorge Canales for defense.
And are you Mr. McCormick Johnson?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Timothy J. McCormick Johnson who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 3084 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams on April 4th, 2024 for a term of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 1 on or about the 9th day of July 2025 and bear counterfactual for defendants Timothy J. McCormick Johnson committed the offense of evading arrest or detention with previous conviction in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Be true.
You may be out of room.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison
Yes, ma'am.
and up to a $2,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, is there a proposed agreement?
Okay. The motion removed defendant's community supervision and report his judgment and sentence him to 7 years.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, we'd ask the court to consider continuing Mr. Johnson in this case. This is his first MTR. I know it's his second. The first one that he was allegedly breaking was, I believe the court heard this argument before. He was in TDC. He was sent to TDC when he was supposed to be reporting to probation, so he could not report. So in effect, it's his first MTR. He was put on ISF. He placed him on ISF, and
But no, he had if I'm wrong, I'm trying to figure out, because he had a previous motion to revoke on December 4th, 2024, and it was for a violation of condition number 1. I don't recall what that condition number 1 was, but the court denied the motion, altered amended his conditions to include state ISF.
That's correct.
So this is his second motion to revoke.
And my first the first time they tried to give me the violation.
Oh, you want to raise your right hand if you wish to
Yes,
speak?
ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Timothy Johnson, Jamie Family Johnson.
All right. Yes, what would you like to say?
The day that I signed on probation, it was I brought it to their attention that I was on parole too, and the day that I signed on probation, I got violated and revoked from probation, so I got sent back to TDC. So therefore, I wasn't able to report for probation.
No, here's the thing. I'm not even focusing on the failure to report because the state has waived that. But it's been brought to the court's attention. His previous motion to revoke from December, that was a violation of condition number 1, is for evading arrest. And so now we're back here.
Oh, that's from my first.
Mm-hmm. And on that one, when you pled true to that, what the court did was the court denied the motion to revoke, and the court altered and amended your conditions. And now you're back here for another evading.
I didn't even know I had the first evading arrest.
You played true to it.
I did.
Mm-hmm. And that was in October.
I don't remember that, Judge. So I apologize. I really don't.
No. And that happened. That evading was alleged. Well, I shouldn't say alleged anymore because you played true to it. But that was committed on or about September 27, 2024. So you had that evading case. And then now we're back here for another evading case.
Yeah, the first time I remember this one, I remember it was a bad judgment call on my day. Even the officer said that I should have just stopped. I would probably got a ticket, but I assumed that a warrant because I missed a house visit. You know what I'm saying? I missed a house visit probably because of work and that. You know what I'm saying? And like, I ain't gonna lie, I'm nervous right now. Like I may not say the right things, and I ain't like I told him I need his help. I'm asking you for your help. You know what I'm saying?
See, here's the thing. I don't know if probation is appropriate for you, and let me just tell you why. Because it appears that you have learned nothing. And let me tell you the reason why I say that. Because you were previously here before for a violation of condition 1, which was evading the police, right? And then you were continued. And now you're not even thinking, you're still evading the police.
No, I not thought I was evading the police. Actually, I am thinking I got a job. I got bills out there in my name. I'm doing good. I got a good probation officer. I just haven't had time to really work with him. Man. You know what I'm saying?
Now the problem is you picked up a new offense, and this is the second
No, I
time.
did. No, I did. The first time I don't remember, so that I apologize. Like,
Mhm.
I mean, there ain't no excuse. That's why I admitted to. There ain't no excuse. I made a bad decision. I'm not on. I'm on. Like I went to ISF because I'm on. I'm on my meds. I got meds. I was on my meds in the world. But I'm doing good. Like I'm sober. Like I ain't got no drug problems, and
Mhm.
I'm doing good, Judge. I got a job. I got electricity and water bill in my name. I got a new residence I'm staying at. I'm not at Haven Hope Hope no more. I'm actually doing good and got good things going for myself. I just made a bad judgment call on that day. I was probably high that day. I'm not gonna lie. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm sitting there. I asked the judge for help, and you offered me 2 years left.
This is one of those raw courtroom
moments.
moments.
But see,
A
here's the thing.
man
You
trying to
chose the
humanize
probation,
himself in
but you're
front of
still doing
someone
the
who
same
holds
thing.
his
That's
I'm not doing
future.
the same thing. I
You
just
hear the
made a bad call
desperation,
and made a bad
jobs,
decision
bills,
on the same day,
sobriety.
and I'm not trying to debate
He's
with
not
you.
just defending his
Y'all
freedom,
understand, like,
he's defending
stuff
his
that I know,
identity.
and I can only
But
learn
will
from
the
y'all
judge
and
buy
others
it?
that are last time, or to go with agreement on the staying probation. 2 years would have been a blessing anyone to take, but I chose the probation because it's a challenge for myself, and I believe I could do it.
But see, here's the thing. You chose the probation, but you're still doing the same thing. That's a
I'm not doing
problem.
the same thing. I just made a bad call and made a bad decision on the same day, and I'm not trying to debate with you because y'all understand like stuff that I know, and I can only learn from y'all and others that are in a better position than I am out there in the world. You know what I'm saying? I got a good support system out there. I got my cousin, my boss. I'm in a new relationship. I got things I can lose now, and not just that. My own life is in your hand.
Mhm.
You know what I'm saying? And I understand that. I know I made it. No, I made it. No, I made a mistake.
Just 1 second.
No.
All right. So any questions, defense or state?
No, Your Honor.
Well, here's the thing. We don't shout in court, right?
Right.
You got to be respectful to your attorney and respectful to each other. All right. So states you're recommending revocation?
Yes, sir. Based on the be true and what's reflected in the court's mind.
All right. Any objections to the court reviewing the court summary?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So with regards to the court summary, the probation is recommending ISF, but the court has previously given you ISF. So I'm going to grant the motion. I'm finding violation of condition number 1 true, and the court will revoke. State, what are you asking for time?
They were asking to reform the judgment and record
Defense?
But we'd ask you to consider 4 years, Judge. This is Mr. Johnson is very sorry for breaking the conditions again. We'd ask you to consider 4 years.
May I say something?
Yes.
I understand I just left ISF. I wouldn't have no problem going to there or any other program because it's only going to help me better myself, man. You know what I'm saying? There's not a lot of programs. It's an easy way out for me to go to if I get in time. And then it's not just that, like probably like I said, I lose my job, my bills. It affects my cousin because the bills are in his residence. They're in my name, so and I'm taking care of them. So I wouldn't have no problem going to another program, DDRS, SATF, or ISF again, because I know that they got cognitive and also got a substance abuse side. And I went to the substance abuse side the first time. I didn't go to the cognitive side the second time, so I don't know if that would still be a possibility for me.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to give you.
And there it is. 6 years. The judge gave credit for treatment time, but still pulled the plug on probation. Tough love? Maybe. But this is how the justice system works. Second chances only go so far. What do you think? Fair consequence or missed opportunity for rehabilitation?
Credit for any time served and inpatient treatment that was successfully completed, and credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with the following persons. There's to be no residing in households with minors, and the court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on community supervision. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. You'll have to ask the state.